guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's been a really crazy week. Unfortunately, we had some pipe leaks in our building into our unit. So we've been kind of dealing with that. We also had some construction in our building that started this week. They're redoing all the windows and they're repainting the building. So been dealing with that. And then some of you guys have reached out to me about, seeing some hikes. You guys really wanted to see some hikes. I look forward to bringing you that. I haven't really been forthcoming with this, but I've had a pretty bad ankle injury that I suffered in April, and some of the ligaments in my left ankle are just very loose, slipping, and I'm unable to do any hikes right now. So when Christy was pregnant, it was easy to be like, oh, we're not going to do any hikes, but I've been going to physical therapy, and right now it's just still not quite where it needs to be, and it may require surgery. So hopefully we can bring you those hikes, but it may be some time. So please be patient. But this week we're going to bring you some content that we shot a couple days ago with some friends over at the beach here. And then we also got donuts from Pervy Donuts. They were really good. So hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for checking us out. On the water.
Where the fuck is that all going?